Remember, remember the 5th of November is often recited on this day to recall the plot and Guy Fawkes' role in history. Guy Fawkes Night, also called Bonfire Night, is celebrated in the UK on November the 5th. The holiday remembers the failed gunpowder plot of 1605, when a group of Catholics tried to assassinate King James I and blow up the Houses of Parliament. Their goal was to end Protestant rule in England. Guy Fawkes was caught guarding the explosive, and he was executed along with his co-conspirators. Over the years, the British public began celebrating the king's survival by lighting bonfires and setting off fireworks. People also made effigies of Guy Fawkes called Guys, which they would burn on the fires. Originally, this was a political celebration, but it gradually became a more general community festival. So, have you ever been to a Bonfire Night celebration?